morning. It is Disney day 3, park day 2. Very excited to go into the studios this morning. I think the plan for us is basically to get a fast pass for Crush because we're just not about that queuing lifestyle. I think after the luxury of going on the Web Slingers ride, literally paying €11 in seconds, I don't care. No. I'll just pay the €11.
We'll just do it.
So we're going to go and do that and then go and get some breakfast because, not going to lie to you guys, we did wake up a little bit later than we wanted to this morning.
9:30. It's still an early
We
rise.
meant to leave about 8:30, it's 9:30. So we're about an hour behind schedule, which isn't that bad. I think considering we had such a long day yesterday,
yeah.
I've woken up with such a headache. I'm so tired, but when in Disney it doesn't matter, so it's fine.
And we have 3 full days, which normally we only have 2, so we've got a bit more time to play with.
Exactly, and I think yesterday we actually did some really good stuff.
Yeah, we did. We absolutely smashed yesterday.
Yeah, and I'd rather do that, like smash the first day.
Yes.
And then
everything else is a bonus.
Exactly.
Yeah,
so,
absolutely.
Yeah, so basically we're going to head to the studios, go on Crush, well, get the fast pass for Crush, get some food, and then just see where the day takes us. I can't wait. I've got a million layers on because I was so cold yesterday. Now I feel like I'm going to be hot because the sun is out, the sun is shining, the tank is clean.
The tank is clean.
And we are getting out of here. But yeah, the sun is just like, it's just really giving today.
Yeah,
so
I'm hoping it's going to be like this all day because that'll be delightful.
Just for the photos, like the blue sky just
makes a difference. Yeah, I was going to say the sky, this is stunning.
It just makes such a difference. So yeah, we're going to head into the park and I will catch you guys up when we get some food because I don't know about you, but I'm absolutely starving.
Yeah, I'm so hungry.
So, bye. So, we've just come to the restaurant.
Restaurant on Collis? Something like that.
Anyway, and we've got the little meal deal thing, so I've got a coffee. First coffee since Tuesday morning, and I'm needing it this morning. Got a little croissant. Oh, it's warm. Lovely.
Yeah, it is
and
warm.
an apple juice, which they have in cans, which is very bizarre.
They're quite large too.
Yeah, they are quite large. I've actually been really craving like a nice fresh juice this morning.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to have. And we've booked Crush's Coaster, and that is at
10 to 11.
10 to 11, which is plenty of time, so we'll probably have a little walk around and then go on Crush, which I'm very excited about. It's my absolute favourite, so I feel like it's not Disneyland without Crush, so I'm really excited. Yeah, gonna eat this now, and then we'll catch you guys up when we do something else.
Woo! See you there.
So we've just come out of the Studio 1, had our breakfast, so now we feel ready for the day, and we are heading over to my absolute favourite, Crush's Coaster. I'm so excited. We'll catch you guys up when we get off, but that was a very big screen.
That was.
Goodness me. I'm just so excited. Like Crush for me is like the ultimate Disneyland ride. This brings back the memories of when we used to come all the time, so I'm really excited. So yeah, let's go on Crush and hopefully we won't lose our ears in the process. Anyway, it's time to go on Crush. So we've just come off of Crush. Highly would recommend buying the Fast Pass.
Yeah.
It made such a difference.
Like, there's some things with Fast Pass that you wouldn't do, obviously, because you know for a fact the queue will go down.
Yeah.
Like, for example, Flight Force can get up to like an hour, but ultimately it will go down to 20 minutes at some point in the day.
Yeah.
Same with Buzz, same with loads of other rides. But Crush just literally
always
never
busy.
goes down
No.
less than 45 at least.
No, that's it. It's such a long time. So yeah, it was really good. Obviously over in like 30 seconds.
Yeah,
And
that's another reason why I just hate waiting for it.
yeah, I know what you
It's
mean.
over so quick.
Exactly. But now we're going to go and see if we can get on the into the Pixar musical. It starts in like 5 minutes though, so we're not too sure whether it'll be full, but if it is full, we're going to watch it later and then go on some rides in the meantime. Yeah, anyway, we're going to go and watch the Pixar thing, hopefully, and if not, we'll go on some rides and stuff, so yeah. Okay, so I haven't really updated you since we went on Flight Force because my head was so bad I had to just like sit with my eyes closed for a second.
I think Crush's, you woke up with a headache and then Crush's Coaster and Flight Force in a row is probably not the best way to
It knocked me for 6, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm feeling a bit better now. We just went and watched the Pixar Together
a Pixar musical adventure.
Absolutely incredible.
Phenomenal.
Like we were both sat there, eyes watering, like it was just so good.
I like had tears coming down my face.
It was just so incredible. Like, I don't want to spoil it if you want to go and watch it. We couldn't film anything. They're very
We just
strict on
described it
that,
as an immersive experience.
yeah, there were things coming from the ceiling. There were smells. It was just.
It was
It
incredible.
was so good, and like there's
The
an
song
orchestra
was
that
brilliant,
plays.
yeah.
The song was really good,
Oh,
and
loved it.
the whole thing was just absolutely phenomenal. So we're gonna watch it again. It was just so
It's
good.
on a very similar wavelength to Mickey and the Magician, but more immersive and
Yeah.
Pixar.
Yeah, I would agree. It's very much the same sort of thing, isn't it? It was just so incredible. It was so good. So now we're just gonna go and walk to the Stark factory, and we're gonna have some lunch. We're gonna do a pizza pasta half and half situation. So I'll show you guys what we order. But yeah, I just wanted to say that Pixar thing. If you ever come to Disneyland Paris and you're
10 out of 10,
unsure,
you need to
you have to watch it. It was just so good. Anyway,
Phenomenal.
we'll catch you guys up when we get there because there's a lot of people now and I'm scared they're gonna walk into me. So I'll see you in a minute. What have you just gone and done, Paul?
So, I have just booked a trip to Disney World in 6 weeks.
So, like, I'm crying on the inside, but I'm so excited for you.
I literally can't believe it.
It's
So
a long
basically,
time coming.
had a bit of drama in the family. So my dad deals with trauma the same way that I do. We book Disney trips. So he has decided that we're just going to go on a spontaneous trip to Disney World with the whole family. And Beth Ann has just helped me to book it, and she's been amazing. And I just can't believe it. I'm going to Disney World. Literally can't even go.
In like less than a month.
That hasn't really sunk in.
No.
It's literally just happened.
Insane.
It's not really sunk in yet.
But we're going to let Holly ring her family now, so just thought I'd update you.
Yay.
But she's going to Disney World and I'm not.
I
So
don't know
Ryan,
who I
if you're
think I
watching
am.
this...
Like, I'm in Disney and I'm booking another trip. Who do I think I am?
Ryan, if you're watching this, this is your sign to book me a
Also
holiday,
book
thank you. So we're just in the Stark Factory restaurant, love it. And we've got a little pizza and a bolognese, and we're going to split it half and half because why not, you know? Why not? So yeah, we've also got a little drink to share as well, so I will let you guys know what this is like, but it looks really good and I'm actually excited to have something that's not like a burger and chips for the third day in a row, so I'm really excited about it. And then tomorrow we've got a reservation for the Pim's Kitchen buffet, which we thought was today, but it's actually tomorrow at 4, so that'll be really nice. But yeah, gonna dive in. Excited? Yeah! We have just finished our lunch. I say just, like 15 minutes ago.
Yeah.
And now we are back in the Disney park. Very excited. We're gonna head over to Buzz and that kind of area, try and get on a couple rides before the parade, and then get a little snack and watch the parade.
Excited!
So exciting! And yeah, it's just such a lovely day. Regretting the turtleneck.
Warm and nice.
I'm getting a bit hot. I'm not gonna lie. I should have worn yesterday's outfit today.
Yeah.
But if it was obviously Valentine's
tomorrow's
Day.
outfit today would be good
Yeah,
as well.
that would have been a good idea. But never mind. We're in Disney, so it doesn't matter.
Some days I can't get out of my bed. Some days I'm waking up on the wrong side of my head, and I got all these eyes on me, staring at me through my screen. Most nights I just can't wait to lie down. So tired from my thoughts that keep on swirling around. Medication used to help me breathe. Now it feels like it's abusing me. 'Cause all of my thoughts take the air out of me, and I can't disagree with the lies that I think you believe. Tell me, what do you believe? And if there was a way to explore my brain, a one-way ticket on a monorail train.
So we just obviously watched a little bit of the Flash of Colour Parade thing.
I think it's and
and it was good. We really enjoyed it. World of Colour. That sounds more familiar.
Yeah.
But now we just fancy going on Pirates. We're going to do it, but we're not going to sit at the front this time.
No.
I'll have the back. That's
I
fine.
don't want to be soaked.
I don't want to be absolutely soaking again. So yeah, we're going to go on to Pirates again, and then maybe see if we've got time for like Buzz or something. But I don't know if we will because the normal parade is on at 5:30. So we're going to see if we have some time. But yeah, on our way to Pirates. Hopefully, not going to get soaked. So another change of plan, we're not going to go on to Pirates because it's a 20-minute wait, and even though that is not a long time, for Pirates that is a long time, so we refuse to wait more than 5 minutes.
Pirate logic.
I'm not doing it, so we're just going to see on the app what rides just €5 for the fast pass, because we do really want to go on Buzz and we haven't been on it yet, so I think that's what we're going to do, and we're going to walk past It's a Small World as well so we can see what the queue time situation is there. But
I really love Small World.
Yeah.
It makes me very happy and brings me
I
joy.
mean, I'm excited for us to try and take a cute photo on It's a Small World, but the rest of it I'm not too keen. It's just
Mel's
one of
not
those.
a Small World stand
I'm
like me.
not. It's just a bit like
Can we sit on this cute little bench?
same.
While I look at this.
Yeah, next to some random push chair.
Oh yeah.
love it. Let's just perch. Why not? So we've just come off It's a Small World, had a great old time. You love that one.
I love it.
We've now paid to get the fast pass for Buzz because we're not in that queuing lifestyle now. No.
So that'll be our third one that we've bought in 2 days.
Oh yeah, we'll keep you guys updated on the on how many we do get and whether it's worth it. But so far, I think the 2 we've bought have definitely been worth it.
Yes, I would agree.
We can
I
see
can't see us buying any more, to be honest, after this one.
No.
Because then we'll have done all the rides.
Yeah, I think any rides that we want to do, if we do them again, we would probably just wait. If we were that desperate to do them again.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to go and do Buzz, which will be fun. I'm really not great at Buzz, but I do enjoy it. I just suck at it. I'm just not good at it.
I just like it though.
Yeah, and I'm excited to look at the gift shop.
Also, if you're curious, the Buzz one was cheaper than the other 2.
Yes, the Buzz one's €9, wasn't it?
Yeah, so it worked out about £7.80 or something like that.
Yeah, so not too bad, especially when it always has like a massive queue. So, I mean, it does go down quick, but it's one of those things where the queue is so long.
Yeah.
It's just, and you can't really sit down and wait. So
No.
It's just a bit of a pain. So yeah, we're gonna go do Buzz, and probably I will film some of it so you guys can see how awful I do compared to Holly. Put your bets down below. Who's gonna win?
I might actually be bad.
No, I'm not very great. So yeah. Anyway, let's go.
Stand by. Scanners detecting more trouble in Sector 9.
Get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts, they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. But now I've realized you were what I needed this whole time. I've been around, no one else has got me feeling this way every minute.
We went on Buzz, and now we have our popcorn. Holly's really just thoroughly enjoying it. That's all right. And now we have sat on the floor and we're waiting for the parade. It starts in like just under an hour, but when we did this last time, we got a really good view, and it was like the best show we've ever seen. So we're gonna wait, and we're sitting here enjoying our popcorn. And Disney popcorn is the best popcorn. Argue with me, but it is so good. So yeah, love it.
Wanna be with you for a long time. Do ba do be do be do day. Do ba do be do be do day. Do ba do be do day. Do ba do be do da 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 da. I've been around, but I can't get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts, they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. But now I've realized you were what I needed this whole time. I've been around, no one else has got me feeling this way every minute, every hour I spend is on you every single day. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. Something about ya makes me wanna be with you for a long time. Do ba do be do do be do do day. Do ba do be do do be do day. Do ba do be do be do day.
It's a little bit later now and we watched the parade and we just went on Pirates of the Caribbean for the second time. Holly was thinking about going on Teacups, but the queue is absolutely massive, so I think what we're going to do is head towards the Autopia ride and see if we can go on that, because Holly quite likes that one, so I think that's the plan. And then I don't really know what we're planning to do for the rest of the evening. I know we need to go back into the village because there's a few things I think that we want to pick up before we kind of go home, but we don't really want to leave it to the last day, so I think we want to try and get those today. And yeah, hopefully go on Autopia, fingers crossed. I don't think Holly likes to drive though, so I think it'll be me driving, so I wish her the best of luck because I'm not the best at driving those cars, but yeah, we're having a really great day. The weather's really good. It's got quite cold. We are feeling it a little bit now, but it's been a really lovely day, really dry, so having a great time. Okay, so we've just come off of Autopia. Had a really good time. Did you enjoy my driving?
Yes, as always, would drive again.
10 out of 10, we'll drive again. I'm actually going to end tonight's vlog now because all we're going to do is go through the village,
Go to some shops,
buy souvenirs, get a little snacky snack, and head
Maybe
back to the hotel, maybe McDonald's, head back to the hotel and just chill. We need to like shower, wash our hair, all the boring stuff that you guys probably don't care about. Plan tomorrow, so I'm going to end tonight's vlog. I thought I would end it while all the lights are on and the castle is looking lovely. So yeah, thank you for watching. As always, there is one more vlog coming. Whoop, whoop. We've got one more day left in the park. I feel really upset about it.
I know.
It's gone far too fast, but yeah. Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.